So the first one is the goblet squat. It's an easier version of the back squat. So we'll look at the grip first. You're gonna hold the grip like this. All right, that's the name of the goblet squat from that. And then basically you're gonna perform a squat, but it helps to cue you into the right way of performing the squat by kind of guiding. You're gonna end up going elbows to knees. So we're going to start first with more of the traditional way of squatting. Your first squat stance, you're going to pick a little bit wider than shoulder width apart, something that's comfortable. Okay, so then my first motion for a squat to help get things set up right, at least for health purposes, is going to be to sit my butt back first. So butt's going to go back, then I'm going to sit down into the squat. Okay, I'm going to go down until knees touch elbows, holding a nice flat back, then back up. At the top, we're going to make sure we squeeze our glutes, push through that. Okay. Down, back up. This is a good one to start with, particularly if a person doesn't have mobility. If you don't have the mobility to do a normal squat correctly, a lot of times you kind of sit into this, get down in there to at least parallel while keeping the back straight, driving up. So I'll start students with that if they're not able to do a traditional back squat.